Hey, what's up guys? Isaac back here with another video, and today I am hanging out with my bird Disco. Say hi, Disco. He is a silver, whoa. He's a silver ringneck parakeet. He's adorable. He's about 1.5, 2 months old. He's very, very, very friendly. Like, he'll let you pet him and everything, and hey, why are you so mad? Hey, chill. Look how pissed he gets. Look at this. Oh. Ah! He is on me. He's on me. Guys, I know it doesn't look like he's a good bird, but he is. He's climbing me. You need my help, Disco? Here, come here. Come here. Good boy. He's in my finger now. My hand. Hey, the hell? Hey, you're on. Ah, goddamn, Disco. Stop it. You're on my hand. Stop. Ah, hey, no. Bad bird. Damn bird. Freaking bit me hella hard. He's like so feisty. I don't get it. He's so mean. Let's just give you like a little close-up cam. Look, watch this. Watch what he does. Oh, he bites the phone. Okay, watch this. You want to climb? You want to climb? You climb. He's on my phone right now. You guys may not believe it, but look in the reflection. He's on my phone. Yo, it's crazy. He does this all the time. It's adorable. Okay, back in your domain. He's so like dominant in his little cage. He like does if I try to pick him up, watch this. See how pissed he got? Like he's like, leave me alone, bro. I'm in my domain. You know what I mean? Anyways, well, short video today. I just wanted to give you guys a little check-in on Disco and these little guys. Hi, the birds. Duh. Alright, so that'll be it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the channel to post notifications, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.